Hello. Now let's together use this feature in Power BI called the enter data. We'll be using it to enter data into Power BI manually. Let's do it. Okay. So click on the enter data, right? And then let's put in some data. Okay, let's name the table first. So we are creating the table. Let's name the table population city UK. Okay, then column one, let's call this city. The column two, click the insert the column there, plus, click it, then double click to rename it and call this the population, all right? And then let's double click in there. The first one, let's call this Aberdeen, and let's put the population, just double click and then put the population. Okay, to enter the second one, just click in here, double click in there, and then put the next one, Birmingham. Okay, that's 1.1 million. All right, so I'm going to do the third one. I'll pause the video and I will run through the one there. Give me a second. All right, let's continue. I've entered the order data, and then once those are done, the next thing you want to do is either you load or edit. If you load, it will the data will come into the Power BI desktop here. You see population city UK here, all right? And then if you edit, it will go into the Power Query editor. All right, let's click load first, and then we'll come back to see how the edits work. Load. Right, it's loading, right? It's creating loading data model, 5 rows. Yeah, so once it's loaded, you see it's here, the population, it's a table you created, all right? Population city UK. What time? The storage mode is import. We can learn about what import mode is about later. And the data is being refreshed. Look at the intelligence there. The data is being refreshed and the time is being refreshed. All right. Okay. Um, so that is how to enter the data. Then, of course, let's try to understand what's happening here. Let's go into the report view mode. This report view, you can use it to create the different visualization that you want. Then you have the table view. If you click the table view and then come in here, you can open it. Of course, you see the table view. So what else can you do? Let's see what the feature here is doing. Look at the eye. That looks like the eye. Click it and see what will happen. So it gives you the sign of like it's hidden. All right. So if you go back to the report view, you see the data is hidden. All right. Let's unhide it. Go back to table view, unhide. Okay. And then you go back to report view. You see it's back up. And then you can use this 3 dots for your more option. Click it. Right. You can hide it, hide that table. So it's hidden. Okay, come to the table view, see both the two columns, they are hidden, then let's bring it back on. Okay, so they are back on. Okay, all right, so we'll stop here.